Today, we will explore the three primary types of torts in our legal system: negligence, intentional torts, and strict liability torts. Each category represents a distinct set of legal principles governing civil wrongs and the liability for harm or injury caused to others. Understanding these fundamental concepts is crucial in comprehending the complexities of tort law and its application in various real-life scenarios. So, let's delve into these essential types of torts. Negligence. Negligence is the failure to exercise reasonable care, which results in harm to another person or their property. To prove negligence, the plaintiff must demonstrate four elements. 1. Duty of care. 2. Breach of duty. 3. Causation. 4. Harm. A. Duty of care. The defendant must owe a legal duty of care to the plaintiff. This duty can arise from various relationships, such as driver-passenger, doctor-patient, or property owner-invitee. Example: a driver owes a duty of care to other road users to operate their vehicle safely and obey traffic laws. B. Breach of duty. The defendant must have breached the duty of care by failing to act as a reasonably prudent person would under similar circumstances. Example: if a driver runs a red light and causes an accident, they have breached their duty of care. C. Causation. First type is of causation as actual cause or cause in fact. The plaintiff must show that, but for the defendant's actions, the harm would not have occurred. Example: if the driver's running of the red light caused the accident, it is the cause in fact. Second type is proximate cause or legal cause. The harm must have been a foreseeable result of the defendant's actions, and there should be no intervening causes. Example: if the driver's running of the red light resulted in a chain reaction of accidents, they may be held liable for all foreseeable damages caused by that. D. Harm. The plaintiff must have suffered actual harm, such as physical injuries or property damage, as a result of the defendant's negligence. Example: if the plaintiff sustained injuries and property damage in the car accident caused by the negligent driver, they can seek compensation for medical expenses and vehicle repair costs. Second type of torts is intentional torts. Intentional torts involve deliberate actions or conduct aimed at causing harm or with substantial certainty that harm will result. Unlike negligence, intent is a crucial element in intentional torts. Examples of intentional torts include: A. Assault. It means intentionally causing fear of immediate harmful or offensive contact in another person. Example: if someone raises their fist and threatens to hit another person, creating a reasonable fear of physical harm, it constitutes assault. B. Battery. Battery means intentionally and unlawfully causing harmful or offensive physical contact with another person without their consent. Example: physically striking or hitting someone without their consent constitutes battery. C. False imprisonment. Meaning illegally restraining or confining another person against their will, without any lawful justification. Example: locking someone in a room against their will or using physical force to detain them constitutes false imprisonment. D. Defamation. Defamation means making false statements, oral or written, about someone that harm their reputation. Example: spreading false rumors about a person that damages their professional reputation or standing in the community is an example of defamation. And third type is strict liability torts. Strict liability torts hold the defendant liable for harm caused by their actions, regardless of their intent or level of care. Examples include: A. Product liability, and B. Ultra-hazardous activities.